Welcome to CSEGuru. In this session, we will discuss Operating System BTU Question Paper January 2024 solution. We are going to discuss a problem under FIFO Replacement Algorithm. Question number 7b. Consider the following page reference string. They have given the reference string. How many page faults would occur for LRU, FIFO and Optimal Page Replacement Algorithms? Here, assume frame size is 3. It's a 12-mark question. Now, in this session, we are going to discuss FIFO Page Replacement Algorithm. So, what do you mean by FIFO Page Replacement Algorithm? FIFO is first in, first out. Which page enters into the frame first, that will be selected as a victim page to replace whenever page fault occurs. So, here, two concepts you need to understand. One is, what do you mean by page fault? And what is page hit? So here they have given a reference string. If the reference string is available in any of these three frames in main memory, in the sense, that is called page hit. If the reference string is available in main memory, in the sense, that is page hit. If the reference string is not available in any of these three frames in main memory, in the sense, that will be considered as a page fault. So whenever page fault happens, you have to select one page as a victim page in any one of these three frames and replace the required page. That is, you need to swap out the victim page from the main memory to the secondary memory, and the required page you need to swap in from the secondary memory to the main memory in any one of these three frames. Okay, so that is page fault. So whenever page fault occurs, in the sense, you need to implement the process, that is swap out from main memory to secondary memory and swap in the required page from secondary memory to main memory. Suppose if the page is available in the frame, in the sense, nothing, no need to do anything, that will be considered as a page hit. Okay, no need to do anything. And here in FIFO replacement algorithm, we are going to select the victim page based on first in, first out. Okay, so this is the reference string. So the page reference string given here is 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 1, 5, 6, 2, 1, 2, 3, 7, 6, 3, 2, 1, 2, 3, 6. So this is the reference string. Here number of reference string they have given here is 20 reference string they have given. Okay. So initially, here this is frame 1, this is frame 2 and this is frame 3. Okay. So initially, here there are 3 frames. Initially nothing will be in main memory. Okay. During process execution only, we will bring the pages, that is, we will swap in the pages into the main memory. Okay. So first, page 1, that is not in main memory, so swap in, keep it in frame 1. And this will be considered as a page fault. Page fault we will refer it as cross. Page hit, in the sense, we will use tick mark. Okay. And next reference string is page 2. It is not available in any of the 3 frames. So swap in into the main memory. Now it is in frame 2. Next reference string is 3. It is also not there in main memory. So swap in. And these 3 by default, it will be considered as a page fault. Okay. Next reference string is page 4. That is also not available here. So here, which page enters into the main memory first? Which page enters here? Obviously, 1 enters into the main memory, or here you can consider the oldest one. See here, 1 is the oldest, 2 is next to oldest, 3 is recent. Okay. So the oldest one you have to select to replace. That is FIFO. Okay. So oldest one here, if you are considering page 1, that is the first page enters into the main memory. So now you select page 1 as the victim page and replace with 4. So 4, 2, 3. And this will be considered as a page fault. Next to 2, it is available in main memory in frame number 2. So this will be considered as a page hit. So no need to do any changes, as it is you write down. Because which page you want to refer, that is already in main memory. No need to swap in or swap out. Okay. Next, page number 1. It is not available in main memory. So the oldest one you have to select. See here, 4 recently you have placed in main memory. 3 is next recent. 2 if you are considering this is the oldest. Okay, can you able to understand? This is the oldest. This is the longest time it was there in the main memory. So here select this one as a victim page and replace with 1. Now 413, this will be considered as a page fault. Next to 5 if you are considering, it is not there in any of these 3 frames. So you need to select one as a victim page. So 1 is recent, next recent is 4, next if you are considering 3. So select the victim page as 3 and replace with 5. That is 415. This will be called as page fault because the required page is not there in main memory. Okay, any of these 3 frames, page number 5 is not there. Next, page number 6, that is also not available in any of these 3 frames. You need to select one page as the victim page. So the oldest one among these 3 if you are considering 4. So replace with 6, 6, 1, 5 and this is also page fault. Okay, and next 2 if you are considering, it is not there in main memory. You need to swap out one page. Okay, so which one is the victim page? 6 is recent. So the oldest one here if you are considering 1. Select 1 as the victim page, replace with 2. Okay, 6, 2, 5 and this is also page fault. Next, 1 if you are considering, that is not available in any of these 3 frames. So the victim page here is oldest one, 6. 2 is new, 2 is new, next new is 6 and 5 is the oldest one. So replace with 1. 6 and 2. This is also page fault. And 2, it is available in frame number 2. Okay, so this will be considered as a page hit. 6 to 1, this is a page hit. 3, it is not available. Oldest one among these 3 is 6. 6 is the victim page, replace with 3. 2, 1, this is a page fault. 7, it is not available in any of these 3 frames. So oldest one here is 3, 2 is the oldest. See here. Okay, 1 3 times, 2 is the oldest. So replace with 7. 3, 7 and 1. This is a page fault. 6 now if you are considering, it is not there in main memory. So the victim page here is oldest one is 1. So replace 1 with 6. So 3, 7, 6. This is a page fault. Next reference page is 3. It is available in main memory. So no need to do any process, swap in or swap out. This will be considered as a page hit. Okay. 2, it is not available. Oldest one among these 3 is 3. Replace 3 with 2. 2, 7, 6. This is a page fault. 1, it is not available in any of these 3 frames. Oldest one here is 7. Replace 7 with 1. Now this is 2, 1, 6 and this is a page fault. And next is 2. It is available. So no need to do anything. This will be considered as a page hit. Next is 3. 3 is not available in any of these 3 frames. So here oldest one if you are considering in this is 6. See here. 6 is the oldest one. Oldest one meaning in the sense among these 3 frames, 6 entered very first. Okay, so select that one as a victim page to replace. So replace 6 with 3. Now 2, 1, 3. This is a page fault. Next reference string is 6. It is not available. So oldest one here is 2. Replace 2 with 6. 6, 1, 3. This is also a page fault. Okay. So now we have considered all the page reference strings. Now how many page fault is there? You need to consider. So page fault here is 4, 6, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So number of page fault is 16. So page fault ratio if you are considering in the sense, it is number of page fault divided by number of reference string. Okay, number of page fault is 16 divided by number of reference string given here is 20 into 100. So what is the percentage you will get it? It is 80% you will get it. So page fault ratio is 80%. Similarly, page hit ratio you need to find. So the number of page hit if you are considering out of 20 strings, 16 is fault. So 1, 2, 3, 4. is page hit. Number of page hit is 4. Next, page hit ratio you need to find out. So page hit ratio is nothing but number of page hit divided by number of reference string. So that is number of page fault is 4 divided by number of reference string is 20 into 100. So 20%. So page fault ratio is 80% and page hit ratio is 20%. So comparatively, page fault ratio is very high. So obviously this is not an efficient algorithm. Okay, because page fault ratio is very high here. So this is the logic of FIFO page replacement algorithm for the given page reference string. Thank you for watching this video.